everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be talking about organising your classroom with labels or any other learning environment. Having an organised space dedicated to learning is important. Organisation supports learners by making sure that they can find what they need and navigate their learning space confidently. For example, by labelling your drawers or your resource trays, there will never be any confusion about where to put something once you're done with it. By using name tags or labels, you can also designate spaces so that learners have areas that are just for them. This can help make them feel like they're part of the classroom community and give them a sense of ownership and belonging. Twinkl have a great range of classroom labels and name tags in a variety of colours and themes, so you can download, print, and use whichever ones suit you best. For example, if you're learning about Australian fauna and flora, you could complement this topic by labelling your desks, resource trays, boxes, or whatever you like with themed labels. Most labels on the website are editable, so once you're logged in, check if there's an editable version available to download. If there is, you can open it using word processing software and tweak it however you like to suit you. I hope you enjoy browsing and find the perfect labels for you and your learning environment. That's all for now, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. There are plenty of creative ways to get organised to learn and some great resources on the Twinkl website to help learners do it, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.